Alright, so this is the van. This is what I've done so far. I matched it up pretty good. I did this little logo here. Here. I did the hood first. Then I moved on to this venting up here. And then I did the front end and the fender and stuff. And then I moved on to the roof and the back end. And that's all I've gotten done so far. I started on this part right here. And here's the Chevy logo. Here's where the turn signal is supposed to be. I'll have to do that later, but once I get this 3D printed, it's going to look